Starting to rain. Oh cool, it says Treehouse Masters. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Rick Stone, and I'm out here at Branson, Missouri. Well, I'm near Branson. I'm at Dogwood Canyon Park. It's kind of interesting. I've never paid to hike before, but the trails out here actually look pretty cool, all the info I've seen, so I was willing to pay. It was like $18 or something like that. But yeah, they have a lot of different activities out here. I'm just here for the hiking, but let's check this place out. It is starting to rain. Not exactly sure where I'm going. They gave me a paper map, but the paper map. Oh, cool. Covered bridge. Please walk your bikes across the bridge. A lot of the trail here is a paved path, but there's you know, my type of trails up here as well. Amish bridge tools. Ambush path. We have to go this way. When I got this new phone midway through the river to river, they said this phone is water resistant, so let's hope it is. About 2 weeks after finishing the river to river, I went back down there and hung out with Vince for a week. It was like 2 days after I got home. I had to go back to working carry out. So it's nice to be out and, you know, having a little fun, a little me time. I know a lot of people that would not be happy about that. Like, for real? Trying to get to this trailhead for the real trail, not this paved crap. It's a storming. Yeah, he said it's going to be storming. If there's lightning, you have to come back or go to the next trailhead. Dude, I'm a thru hiker, bro. I got this. Thunder Falls. took a teeny little break in that shelter and used the classy restroom they had. Rain died down a little. I think I'm finally coming up on the actual trail, Pine Ridge Pass. 1.2 miles, no problem. Immediately a hill. I'm good though. Yeah, I'm real good, huh? Whew. Oh, that was a climb. Oh, it's still going. Oh boy. Whew. Man. My dad came to Branson for a vacation, Branson, Missouri, and he is disabled and his health isn't the best, and I wanted to go too, so I came with. And Branson, I don't know if any of you know Branson, it's like a theme park town pretty much, which is cool and everything, but I'd rather be out at places like this, preferably ones that don't charge me to hike. It is pretty out here. I'm not sure what all I'm gonna see, so I've never been here, so everything I'm showing you is my first time and not a practice hike or anything. It is kind of weird down here in Missouri. Everything's reopening today, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. So it's nice to get out here, and I haven't seen this whole place, but I'm not sure what that $18 is covering. I mean, like the trail's flooded, which obviously it's raining, that's fine, but I mean, whatever. They do have like safaris and bike riding and segways, and there's a gift shop and museums, and it's probably a lodge somewhere, a little tourist trap. But we were staying at the Angel Inn Hotel in Branson, surrounded by buildings. You can kind of see scenery in the background, but it didn't come out in pictures. And I heard a lot of things here in Missouri are reopening today, so we'll see how Branson looks when we get back. I was watching Drawn Together too much. Foxy Love. So I think I'm gonna come back out on that paved road. So it's kind of a pointless little loop, Pine Ridge. Just kicks your butt, and then you walk through a path of trees, and then you come back down. Alrighty. Maybe it's because my last trail was the River to River Trail, 160 miles in southern Illinois, Shawnee National Forest. I don't know what it is, but I don't see the point of that trail. That's pretty much my surroundings this whole time. It's pretty. I don't know, I might be missing something, but I'm still trying to figure out why I paid $18 to hike this trail. I mean, it's cool, but it's not that cool. Descending. So that was Pine Ridge Trail. Footing wise, it was easy terrain. Yep, I'm going back down to that paved road. Woohoo! The restaurant here at Dogwood Canyon, the lady in the gift shop told me opened at 11 and you can actually go in and sit down. Sounds kind of risky. So I'm kind of almost back where I started. That way is the entrance, and I had walked this way all the way down to where those restrooms are way down there. And then that loop went all the way up and around down here. Pointless Hills route. Little Indian Stables. Absolutely no walking or biking past this point. Okay. Is anybody familiar with this place? What the hell is the deal here? I'm back at that sign. Okay, so I think I'm done here. I don't really want to continue. It's like 7 miles of this, and I don't understand why they're having over Hitlerized Nazi rules everywhere. Which rules are important, but this is like way over the top. I don't know what the hell their deal is. Really pretty park, guys, but you need to tone it down a little. Sorry. It's got a lot of potential if they would loosen up. Good Lord. I'm at least going to go back and I'm going to look around the gift shop and maybe check out that restaurant. I'm not sure. All in all, do I think it's worth it at Dogwood Canyon? Yes, it's very pretty here and I like their theme. I'm just weirded out by all the rules, and it's like over, like they're trying too hard or something. I don't know how to put it into words, but it's, come on. For my safety or my annoyance? Because I walk through that stuff all the time. Apparently this is Little Indian Creek. Racist. I wonder if they're gonna come and yell at me because I'm down here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Racist. Oh. I take back everything I just said. Do you guys see this? Is that a pop machine? They're gonna redeem themselves for soda. Are you kidding me? And it's just water? See, plenty of water over there and over here. Alright, I'm over this place. Sorry to badmouth you. I'm sure you guys are all nice people, but this is kind of ridiculous. Hope Wilderness Chapel? Well, I hope they learn what wilderness means. That's that Wilderness Chapel. But the waterfalls behind it are pretty cool looking, so I'm going to go over there. I'm in here and I paid 18 bucks. I'm trying to see what I can. Oh, that's neat. That'd be a cool house. Or like a rental. So my final conclusion is I'm glad I came here. It is a nice place, and the the trail does continue on more, so maybe there's some that I'm missing. But me and my dad have quite a few things planned today, and I don't want to keep them for all that 7 miles. But yeah, check it out sometime, Dogwood Canyon. It's near Branson, so it's like Lamprey or Lampy or something, Illinois. Lamprey. I'll figure it out and I'll put it in the description below when I upload. Ooh, the covered bridge. I want to see that gift shop and the restaurant. Please walk bikes across bridge. Keep left. It's like a crazy roommate putting post-it notes everywhere. I'm getting the hell out of here. Getting back to the entrance here. Some kind of little theater or something. I believe the restaurant's in there. Guy was pretty helpful. You know, my dad doesn't get around the best anymore, and he said if we cross that first bridge from the parking lot and flag him down, I'll send somebody with a golf cart to come get us if we wanted that restaurant. So everybody that works here are like genuinely pretty nice people. I promise I wasn't hating on you about the trail. I just came off a 160-mile hike of the River Trail in southern Illinois, so I still got that in my head. This is a really pretty place for like day hikes or, you know, take the family out. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Wee. Food with a view. Well, all in all, I had a pretty good time. We're getting out of here. Probably headed back to Branson, check some things out. While we're here, I do want to see the waterfall hiking trail and another wilderness area, a real wilderness area. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm Rick Stone. Happy trails.